everyone! So I am doing a little at-home project. I bought my birds a new cage, a bigger one, so that I don't have to feel so guilty if I'm not home for a long period of time. And I got it a few days ago, and now I have time to put it together, and I thought you could get a really good laugh out of seeing me trying to do this. So I'm just gonna go make a fool out of myself on YouTube. Let's do this. So yeah. Okay. I'm already hating it so much. Okay. Manuals are usually no good. Well, okay. I will... guess I'll just have to try. Okay, let's see. Oh my god! There's a crack in it. Oh, that's annoying. It came all the way from Germany. I don't know that. It's fine. Okay, let me see. So apparently we're supposed to... It's a good thing that I have small birds. They don't weigh too much. Okay. See, that's actually really smart for when you need to change them. Okay, front and back. Oh my god, I did it! I'm so proud of myself. They want me to do the sides, I think. And that must be these. Oh god, please don't. How on earth am I gonna get this on? Oh god. So that's just gonna fall off again. Great. I don't know. I haven't thought this through. Oh, okay. Oh my god, no. No. Yes. You know the feeling of being like this close but still so far? Like that's what's going on right now. I just need this to butt in and behave itself. Oh. Look how much I'm sweating. Oh my god. Maybe. Ow! That worked! Why didn't I just do that to begin with? Oh my god. I hate myself right now. Okay. Oh. Now I just need to decorate it. Oh my god, this has taken me an hour and a half. Jesus Christ, I'll be back soon. So here's the finished result. I think I'm gonna buy more stuff for it. Let's see. So next step is to figure out how I get them to fly in there. I'm not sure that's gonna be easy, but hopefully I will get them in there sooner or later. So yeah, that only took almost 2 hours, guys. So, yeah.